Torrential rains eased on Saturday in New Zealand's northern and central regions after 4 days of downpours forced hundreds of people from their homes, although there were 100 new evacuations overnight. The South Island city of Nelson has been the worst affected, with hundreds of homes evacuated over the week, and some rendered uninhabitable. Towns in the North Island have also been cut off, as floods submerged roads and homes. In the Tasman district neighbouring Nelson, a total of 508 homes had been evacuated, emergency authorities said, and the figure could grow. A warning stays for heavy rain in Fordland on the South Island, Met Service said on its website. Seeing the devastation caused by the floods in New Zealand is a reminder of the Herculean effort we must all make to protect our planet, the royal couple posted.